Kyra, 257k followers. Nana, 391k followers. Aitana, 331k followers. Income, 10,000 euros a month. And she's just posting pictures on her Instagram. If you go to her reel section, there is no video content at all, except for one thing. None of them are real humans. These are all virtual influencers generated with AI. And while there are many different ways of generating your own characters like them, but in this video, I will just share one trick that you can use to create a unique character like them and generate as many images as you want with highly accurate and consistent facial characteristics. And you can use them to create your own AI influencer or create an AI model to promote other products, build partnerships, and even build your own brand to promote your own products. So let's get started and make sure to stick till the end of this video because I will be showing you some very important settings and tips that will help you generate consistent results every time. First of all, you want to create a free account on this AI app. And as you see here, this AI app has already got a sponsorship from NVIDIA, which shows how powerful this AI tool is. This AI app does so many things. You can create your own unique character, copy poses from any reference image, modify their clothing, and even create videos of your character with realistic motion and consistency. Now we will be doing this in 3 steps. So first of all, let me show you these steps. In step 1, we will generate a close-up face image of our character. In step 2, we will create a unique character based on that face. And finally, in step 3, we will use that character as a reference to generate more images in different clothes, styles, poses, and backgrounds. So the first thing you want to do is to click on this studio button, which will take you to this interface. And down here in this box, we will write an initial prompt to generate a close-up face image of our character. But there is a specific prompt sequence you need to follow to generate the right results. So let me first show you that sequence. First of all, you need to define gender and age of your character. Second, you need to define their ethnicity. For example, Asian, American, Spanish, Italian, and so on. Third, define the hairstyle, facial characteristics such as eyes, nose, cheeks, lips, and overall body characteristics. Fourth, define the background. And finally, write this word extreme close-up face portrait at the end of your prompt. Now, based on that prompt sequence, I'm going to write my own prompt here in this prompt box. Female, 21-year-old, South Asian, brown wavy hairs, wide brown eyes, no cheekbones, slightly plump nose and lips, camera facing, gray gradient background. And finally, I will write extreme close-up face portrait at the end of my prompt. Now, if you have noticed that I have not defined the clothing in this prompt, and that's because if you define the clothing style right now, it is going to mess up with your image generation in the next steps. So make sure that you don't put anything related to clothing in this initial prompt. And once you're done with your prompt, increase the image count to at least 2 and click this generate button. And here are the initial results we have got. If you are not happy with these results, you can slightly change your prompt and try again. But I like these results, so I will download this to my PC by clicking here on this download icon. Now I choose this image because it is a straight camera facing photo with clearly visible face. And that's exactly what we need. Unlike the second image, which is slightly a side pose. So make sure that you keep this thing in mind before choosing your character. And with that, we have completed the first part and we have got this face that we will use to create our AI character in the next step. So let's go ahead and do this. I will come back to the main page again and now I'm going to click this create new AI character. And it's asking me to upload a face. So I will upload the same image that we have downloaded just now. Click OK, and now in this design your character option, I will choose realistic, female, young adult, and I will choose wavy hairstyle with brown color. Click next and then name your AI character. Then click done. And now our realistic AI character is ready, but don't think she's going to be exactly like her because this is just a reference character. The consistency of your AI character depends on the settings that we will define in the next step. So let's click here on use this AI character, and now you can see down here it has activated the character option and referenced this character with the name that we have just defined. And now we are almost on the final step, but there are some important settings that you need to do here. First of all, make sure that the flex model is selected up here. And if you click this, you can see there are many style options available to guide your image generation. But right now, we are not going to mess up with these settings. I will keep them as it is. Then click on this corrector here, and now you can see we have the option to choose the corrector strength. By default, it is set to 0.5, but I will increase this strength factor to at least 0.7. This is totally optional, but this setting is working for me, so I'm going with 0.7. However, you can play around to see what's working best for you. But make sure that once you start getting the consistent results, do not change this setting again. And now we can write a prompt here to start generating images of our character with consistent face. So first of all, I will write this prompt. Sitting, coffee shop, white half sleeves t-shirt, and click generate. And here is the first image of our realistic AI character or model with consistent face, and it looks amazing. Let's generate a couple of more images. So I will type in this prompt, standing, black running outfit, blurred running track backdrop, and hit generate. And make sure that you use the same sequence in your prompt. I call this PECB formula, where P stands for position or pose, E stands for expression, C stands for clothing, and B stands for background. And here is our second result. And so on, you can continue generating the images by following the same method. And before winding up this video, I want to show you some more results that I have generated, so check them out and don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section and hit the subscribe button if you find this video useful.